Hello, class 11 student. Today I am in front of you to give some focus on the 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. As in the previous video, I have been told you about the process of amendment and about Article 368. The 42nd Amendment of our Constitution, which is also known as a mini constitution, because it had a large changes, a big changes in almost all part of our constitution. First, we have to understand that Indian constitution is unique in nature, and its uniqueness is not only in content but spirit also. The Constitution of India decided the rule of the land and is taken as the supreme law of land. So the Constituent Assembly that was behind the formulating our constitution has also given a scope for amendment. It means that they understood that the constitution should not be a dead document, but it should be a living document, and it should be changed as per the need of time, because a country and the scenario of the world, it have to change along with the society, along with the international challenges. So it needs also many changes. Hence the Constitution of India of what it is today has undergone substantive changes on account of several amendments. So we had many constitutional amendment, 110 amendment till now. But what is the unique, and why 42nd amendment is so controversial in the, and it is considered as mini constitution? First we see that what is 42nd amendment and introduction. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India, officially known as the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, was enacted during the emergency in 1975. On 25th June 1975, India faced a emergency. So it was passed during that emergency period, and the emergency was almost 18 months by the Indian National Congress, headed by the Mrs. Indira Gandhi. She was the Prime Minister of India that time. This constitutional amendment, regarded as most controversial constitutional amendment in the history of India, it attempted to curtail the power of judiciary also. This essentially this constitutional the amendment of Article 368 prevented by the constitutional amendment from being called in question in any court on any ground. So it tried to invalidate the Supreme Court's ruling also, and due to this amendment had many controversies. It attempted to reduce the power of Supreme Court and High Court to pronounce upon the constitutional validity of the law, laid down the fundamental duties of the Indian Constitution also. This amendment brought about most widespread changes to the Constitution in its history, and it's something called a mini constitution. So due to all these changes, the 42nd Amendment had many controversies. Now we will see that what was the major changes brought by this constitutional amendment. 42nd Amendment 1946. The first, it has changed in the preamble, which is considered as the basic structure of our constitution, and this amendment also laid down the changes in the basic structure. As we know that court has given a ruling that basic structure of the constitution cannot be changed, but it changed, and it inserted the word socialist, secular and integrity in the preamble. Then it's also increased the time period of the parliament and the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies from 5 to 6 years. Then this constitutional amendment reduced the power of president by Article 74. Article 74 was amended, and it was explicitly stipulated that the president shall act in accordance with the advice of Council of Ministers. Governors of states were not included in this article. It means that this provision was only for the president. Governors were not included in. The interval at which a proclamation of emergency under Article 356 required approval from Parliament was extended from 6 months to 1 year. And then the chapter of fundamental rights. All directive principles of state policies were given primacy over the fundamental rights under Article 14, 19 and Article 31. Some new directive several added in Part 4 of the Constitution. Part 4 was added, having Article 51A containing fundamental duties of the citizen. These were the major changes brought by the 42nd Amendment. Now we will see that why this 42nd Amendment was controversial and in nature. This constitutional amendment was controversial due to the following reason. The first reason was its timing, because this constitutional amendment was done during the emergency period, and as we know that the reason of emergency itself was controversial in nature. So the first reason was this, and the second, that this constitutional amendment was done without the support of majority, because many of the MPs were in the jail and they were not present in the parliament during the amendment. Then the third is, it was made without the ratification by the state legislature. As we know that under Article 368, some provisions which need to change by the two-third majority of the parliament as well as by the consent of 50% state legislature, but this was also missing. This constitutional amendment exclude the courts entirely from the election disputes, because as we know that the one of the major reason of the emergency was the election of that time prime minister. And this constitutional amendment also strengthened the central government, vice versa the state government, and its compatibility to rule the country as a unitary, not a federal system. But as we know that India is a federal country, it is not a unitary country. So all these reasons made this constitutional amendment very controversial in nature. Due to all these major changes in the Constitution of India, this constitutional amendment regarded as many constitutional as well as it had many controversies, also because it was done during the emergency period. So that's all for today, and in the next video I will give focus on the next topics. So thank you for watching.